Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, yeah.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, let me try to start with yesterday I defined and performed all the mathematical operations. Okay, this is the program I done. Coming to the today's class, let me try to calculate the simple interest. I provided the notes also. Like here we don't have any navigation steps. Okay, previously we have so many navigation steps. I can able to understand the people feel difficulty. Here no navigation steps. Only we need to write the logic. Write an Apex program to calculate the simple interest. They asked me to calculate the simple interest. Okay, write an Apex program to calculate the simple interest. Let's see this. Click on new Apex class. Click on OK. It is showing duplicate. 6. Okay, now the my Apex class is created. What is my first step, Saronika Swapna? Now every time I'm asking Swapna only. Let me try to change. Snehal, what is my first step? What is my first step, Snehal? I need to create. Is my voice is audible or not to everyone?
Yes. This
Audible.
publish
So
static
we are
Audible.
void method.
Prakash, what is my first step?
Public static void.
Public static void method. Method anything, method 2 or method any name. Okay. So here, what is the formula of simple interest? If you don't know the formula, okay, you don't worry. Go try to Google formula for simple interest.
PTR.
Yes, we know PTR by 100, but let me try to PTR by 100. See, this is the formula. Means I'm receiving the three values: principal, rate, as well as a time. Okay, as parameters. Okay, I'm mentioning decimal, time, as well as a rate. Everything in a decimal format. I'm calculating the simple interest. Okay, P into T into R by 100. Okay, so maturity, a simple interest is nothing but everyone know the simple interest. Everyone know the interest. Like for example, if you deposit, like if you deposited any money, like and another parties, for example, if you taken any loans from the bank, it is like a common. Like the bank will deduct some interest yearly 10,000 for 1 lakh. It should be 70%. It should be 7,000 like that. The bank will deduct it. Here everyone know about interest. Interest. Caroline,
Yes.
you had an idea on interest, simple interest.
I'm getting it gradually.
Okay. Okay, maturity amount is nothing but now maturity amount is simple interest plus principal. Simple interest plus principal. I'll tell you. For example, I deposited 1 lakh in the bank. Just imagine 1 lakh. For that particular 1 lakh, bank give an interest of 4,000 per year. Okay, so this is my principal amount and this is my interest. Maturity amount is nothing but principal plus interest. 1 lakh 4,000. Just normal I'm mentioning. 1 lakh 4,000. Everyone is getting what I'm doing?
Yes, Venkat.
just only for the basic things, because if you get familiar on the simple programs, my main agenda is at least you'll get some familiarity in the coding. If you got some familiarity, then we can start with the things. That's why I started with the basics. Okay, I'm calculating the simple interest, and also I'm placing the maturity amount also. Okay, let me try to pass some data. Debug, open execute anonymous window. I'm passing prince plus 1000 time 2 rate. Just I'm passing some 2000 into 2 into 2 by 100. Just normally I'm 2 percentage rate as a 2 percentage. Everyone able to see? I got some simple interest 40, 1000 plus 40, 1040 maturity amount.
But Venkat, one question: why are you passing that decimal value inside method? Till yesterday it was this plain method, right?
Yeah,
I
you can use integer also. Okay, you can use integer also here. Okay, like it for principal pass
why
the
are
decimal
we?
value.
What is the purpose of using decimal p inside the bracket? I just wanted to know.
Decimal p inside I did not got it. Okay, here
No,
you are asking
today it was
instead of
only
integer.
wide method, right? Wide
Huh?
method. Till yesterday, I mean, you taught me us about public static void method. Okay, there was no decimal value or no argument or I don't know.
Ah, no, no, no. Yesterday I
But
passed argument at last. I think you missed that
This is
class.
the dynamic.
Why I passed Jyoti, I'll tell you. For
why?
example,
What is the purpose?
I'll
I
tell you.
just want to understand.
I'll tell you. For example, as a user, okay, this is my LWC component Jyoti. Yesterday at last, I think you missed that class. Yeah, at last attend. This is my LWC component Jyoti. Okay,
Mhm.
like you are passing some input box. As a end user, you are passing some input box. I will ask you one question: how the Apex class will receive the parameters dynamically by using these parameters? Okay, it is P, it is T. Just I'm giving. It is passing. It is retrieving the data. Just normal. I'm saying you. For example, it is receiving the account name, rating, warm. Okay, account name, industry, rating. Okay, whatever it may be. So whatever the data customer entered, then we are inserting. When we are inserting this particular data, we are inserting to Salesforce admin. Here we are receiving parameters or not, Jyoti, from LWC component here. So for example, if I discuss it, then only, then you will not get familiarity. That's why I'm started from now. Just I'm passing parameters like from the open execute anonymous window for verification purpose. I'm passing the parameters dynamically from execute anonymous window. Yes. Jyoti, are you able to understand what I'm saying?
Without parameter, you cannot calculate the simple interest, is it?
Without parameters also you can calculate. You can create here dynamically. I mean that static one.
Okay, okay, understand.
But like static is not good now, because like for
Mm-hmm.
example you got some requirement, Jyoti got some different requirement, everyone need to get output, is it? That's why I mentioned dynamically here. Try to do dynamically only instead of static. For example, from now onwards, if you are passing dynamically, I told you yesterday also. For example, if our mind started with one thing, okay, definitely our mind will think on that particular way only. Okay, definitely will not navigate another way. So in future also like this only, even it receiving the account records or contact records or opportunity records like this only, it will receive the parameters. That's why I'm using these parameters from now onwards.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, I'm giving some assignment. Write an Apex program to calculate the area of triangle. What is the formula for area of triangle? Try to practice, take your time, okay, not by hurry burry like tomorrow and Sunday. Everyone try to practice. Okay. What is a Sirisha? What is the formula for area of triangle?
If sides are equal, then side into side into side.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. We have Google. We can identify it. Okay. Area of
Half
triangle
LB,
formula.
I think. Half into LB.
Yes, yes. Okay. And like what we need to do, you need to declare two values. Okay. H and B. So you need to pass parameters. Everyone will do this Apex program. Area of triangle, area of rectangle, area of trapezium. Everyone will do this. I think try to
Yes,
do from now on.
Yeah,
we'll do
we'll
rectangle. You
try.
please explain it, triangle. Half into, we don't know. Decimal point.
No worries, I'll explain. Okay, I'll public static void method one. Okay, just I'm passing two parameters. What are the two parameters? A decimal parameter I'm mentioning as
Length
integer,
and
integer.
breadth.
Height, breadth. Okay, like when you by 2 is a 0.5. 0.5 is nothing but a decimal. Okay, that's why I'm mentioning decimal. Okay, like 1 byte is nothing but 0.5. 0.5 into breadth into height. System.debug of like this. Everyone able to understand how I written the code?
Yes, Venkat. I'm good.
Okay, and another thing I'm asking you, first of all, try to do from your own. Okay, try to start from your own. Okay, I given some examples. Now try to start from your own. If you are not enabled to understand, okay, so try to search in Google. Okay, because I'm saying again, because in as a developer, no one will develop all the things from their own. Okay, they will take the Google help. Okay, you can also take the Google help, no worries, but don't be completely dependent on the Google. Okay, and another point I want to highlight. For example, if you got some issue in development, what you will do, okay, just everyone install the notepad plus plus.
Yes, yes,
Yes, Venkat.
yes.
Yes, Venkat.
Copy your code. Okay, like because I'm saying how you need to become pro. Okay, that is copy my code, compare both of the things, then definitely will identify exact issue. Means here my main agenda is everyone need to independently solve their issues. Okay, because when you go to the real time, okay, so I'm expecting that my students, no one being dependent on another people. You need to solve your tasks. Okay. Copy your code and copy my code. First, see this your code. If you are unable to rectify, copy your code and copy my code. Compare. Compare both of them. At least you'll find the issue. If you are not unable to find out, then there is a error. Then there is error under the problem. Under the problem. Okay. Copy that error. Okay. Copy that and go to Google. Paste that error. Paste that error. Okay, like definitely you can able to find out there is some stack exchange. Okay, under the stack exchange you can able to find out the error. Okay, stack exchange. If you are not able to find out from that situation also, you can send me the screenshot. Means from now onwards you are independently solving your tasks. Everyone, am I audible to everyone? Because development you need to
Yes.
think. Okay, this is
Yes.
the practice I'm expecting from everyone. Okay, you can send a screenshot to me. This is the thing. Because everyone need to solve independently, then if you solve independently from now onwards, okay, like that things will be supported to your mind, definitely the same pattern it will be continued in the real time also. Yeah.
Venkat, I have one question.
Yes, please.
So in a class, how many methods we can write?
You can write any number of methods, not limited. As per the requirement you need, you can write it. I'll show you with another methods also. Okay, I'll show you, no worries. Okay, try to do it. Okay, no worries. Try to start. When you are seeing these programs, first of all, don't fear. Okay, leave the fear from your mind and start the things. That is the thing I'm expecting. And another thing is a conditional statements. Okay, like conditional statements. Apex provides 3 conditional statements. Okay, like if condition, switch condition, ternary operator. But in real time, we'll use if condition only. Okay, we'll not use these 2 of them, but I'll explain it. No worries. Okay, like coming to if condition, there are if else, else if, nested if. Everything I'll take an example. Okay, coming to if condition. This is the syntax. If the condition is true, then I'll open my notepad file also. Then I'll compare. If anything is missed means I'll add it. Yeah. See, the syntax is there. Okay, this is the condition. Yesterday I discussed some conditions. Anyone remembered? When I'm discussing and or not, I discussed some conditions. Anyone remembered?
Yes.
Okay, as like that particular client requirement, we need to design some condition. If this condition is true, okay, this logic will be executed. If it is true, for example, okay, we have another things. For example, these are all the things will comes upon practice. If the condition is true, this logic will be executed. Else, this logic will be executed. If the condition is true, then this logic will be executed. Otherwise, if this logic will be executed. Okay, and third one, if. Mostly we'll use this one only. Other than this, we cannot. If the condition is true, then we can write like make this logic to be presented. If we can write another condition also. If this condition is true, then we can apply this condition. We can write multiple conditions. For example, if this condition is true, then we can write this logic. At last, if no condition is satisfied, okay, we can make any of this logic. Okay, we can write multiple conditions. We can write multiple conditions. Multiple conditions. I'm saying again, we can write multiple conditions like this. As per the requirement, we can write it. Here only 2 conditions. One. Here only 1. Okay, these are all the things. Remember? Okay, let me explain it. Then you'll get the things. I given one by one. For example, if the condition is satisfied, if else, and if else if. Okay. In interviews, they will not ask you like these questions. I'll tell you which type of question. These are the basics, fundamentals to cover your coding practice. Okay, this will be helpful for your triggers and for your further upcoming Apex classes. Yeah. Everyone able to understand the syntactical practice? Syntax.
Yes, Venkat.
If everyone able to understand the syntactical things, then I'll start the things.
Yeah,
Swapna,
yes.
everyone able to understand the syntax, not coding. Logics I'm not expecting, only syntax. Naveen, Pooja,
Yes,
Snehal,
Venkat.
Reshma. Okay, no worries. If you are discussing the programs, then you can able to understand. As compared to yesterday, somewhat little better I'm expecting today. As compared to previous, as somewhat little. Like that you'll improve definitely. Okay, day by day definitely you'll improve. I'll damn sure that is a thing will be happening. Okay, you can see some things. Write an Apex program to perform the mathematical operations in the 2 numerical values. I'll tell you. So, anyone remembered I written some Apex class to perform some mathematical operations? Anyone remembered?
Yes, Venkat.
Like, what is the program I discussed in yesterday class? Like, I created some Apex class now, like to perform all the mathematical operations. Anyone remember that?
Efficient subtraction.
Apex class 2.
Yeah.
Apex class. Fine. Thank you.
Apex class 2. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the thing. Okay, like 1 minute team. Okay, fine. Let me try to start. Okay, let me try to. So coming to yesterday class, I created this. Anyone remember this program? What is the operations on this particular program? Anyone remembered?
We are actually performing multiple
Multiple things.
actions.
Mm.
Yes,
What I need to do?
division and modulus. Mod.
Yes, 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 yes. And I'm not getting response from Swati and Pooja. Pooja and Swati.
Devadas.
Devadas. Yeah. Everyone understanding?
Hello, Venkat.
Yeah. Yes, Swati, are you understanding?
Yes, Venkat. Yesterday I missed the class, so I'll just go
Yeah.
through the video. So,
Really, if you visit the class, like you can see, today's class is like completely difficult. Is it?
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
So please see. Yeah. And what about Aruna Bindu? Aruna Bindu. Okay. Let's start. Every class is dependent. Okay. I will ask you one question. Like, what is 1 by 0? 1 by 0. What will become 1 by 0? Anyone?
Infinity.
Not possible.
Infinity.
Infinity.
Yes, it is possible, but infinity. Okay. One by zero is nothing but in 1 by 0 is nothing but infinity. Yeah. 1 by 0. What is 1 by 0? Hello.
Infinity.
Infinity.
Infinity. Sorry. I lost like in between. I lost my connection. Okay. Fine. 1 by 0. Infinity. Like for example. Okay. Like just imagine. I'll write some logic here. Okay. I'll write some logic. So, so kindly please remember this point. Just normally, I'm writing some condition here. If second number is greater than 0, if it is a greater than 0, is second number, then only we can perform the operation. This particular math dot mod as well as these things. Why it is not finding? Third number is equal to math dot mod of first number comma second number. System dot debug of remainder is plus third number. Yes. Everyone able to understand this condition? Why I mentioned this condition? Anyone from the class? Why I mentioned this condition?
If number greater
Hello.
than 0, loop will go to that place. That if
Yes,
You know,
condition.
yes. For example, if it is equal to 0, then it will not perform. If it is greater than 0 only, it will perform. For example, I am mentioning. What is my class? Apex class 2. Okay, 23 comma 0. For example, if this condition is not satisfied, I'll print this message. System.debug of second number is greater than 0, less than 0. Okay, let me try to deploy it. For example, if it is 0, okay, yes, then else statement or if statement will be printed. This logic or this logic will be printed. Anyone from the class can please tell me which logic will be printed because I'm 0.
Else statement.
Else.
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 Not else.
Yes. Everyone able to see? Why it is printing else statement? Anyone can give me the clarification? Why it is printing the else statement? Anyone can give the clarification?
Because that
Yes.
second number we have given as 0, which is uh, uh,
Yes.
which
Yes.
is great, which
Exactly.
is uh,
Less
not
than
greater
or
than
equal to
0.
0. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
equal
Yeah.
to 0.
Okay. For example, if you given this, okay, it will execute all this. If the condition is satisfied, just I'm highlighting with some small condition, then I'll go with account, contact, opportunity, all these things. Okay. So division and remainder is also calculated. Why division and remainder is calculating now? Because it is not 0 or not equal to 0 or less than 0. That's why. That is it. Everyone able to understand my point, my logics?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes.
More than 0.
Just I'm going slowly. Let me try to involve account, contact, opportunity in further SVL and SYSL. If you understand small logics, then we can go with like basic to basic like that. Okay, step by step we can increase. Another, write an Apex program to find out the student result. For example, we have 5 subjects: English, Maths, Physics. Like this only you'll get an user stories. Okay, when you got the user stories means first of all don't difficult. Copy this. Just I'm saying it, but don't do it. Here, as a developer, you are doing development. Don't try to do all this from copy and paste. Try to do from your own. You can able to find it at least some of the website. That's why I told you 80 to 90% code you can able to find it, but you need to understand how. When you can understand, when you try to practice all the scenarios in our classes, then you can able to understand and you can modify it as per the requirement. Okay? First of all, don't copy and paste. Think away. Think about that. Okay. Like in the classes, don't do it. Maybe in future, I'll tell you when you need to do like that. I'll tell you, but don't do copy and paste now. Okay. Because if you do from now onwards copy and paste, you cannot able to understand. When you practice initially, then you can able to understand in future. So English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry. If the student got more than 40 marks in each subject, pass. For example, if the student got less than 40 marks in any of the subject, it is fail. How we can write the condition? Anyone from the class can convey me. I need to receive the 5 parameters: English, Maths, Physics,
If else,
Chemistry, Hindi.
if else statement.
Yes, yes, if else statement. Okay, let me try to open. So I had Apex class 6. Let me try to use that. Okay, let me try to use here only another method. We can create any number of methods. Integer, English, Maths, Physics, Hindi, just 5 subjects. Okay, just I'm receiving the parameters as 5 subjects. So if the condition is satisfied, we need to go to this logic, pass, system.debug of student is pass. else system.debug of student is failed. How, like which condition I'll write it? Anyone can please tell me which condition? What's the conditional rate? My
We
requirement
can
is
take we can take one another variable like total marks.
Value.
Integer total marks is equal to, first we will add all the subjects, and
I
then
think
we will say if total marks
no.
is greater
Not
than
needed.
40.
Not needed. That
we are going
particular
by
high level.
subjects, right? 40 below
Yes.
fail.
See, yes. See,
Ah,
only student got each subject I asked. Not
Oh,
whole.
each
I asked
subject.
each
Oh,
subject.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then each subject. Okay. I need to get English greater than 40 and maths greater than 40 and physics greater than 40 and Hindi greater than 40 and social greater than 40. Okay, means I need to get greater than 40 on each subject.
But each subject you are doing, when you are applying and it is a comp, so all the
Yeah,
conditions should match, right?
yes,
That means
yes,
that
yes.
subject
That's why
you are doing,
on. Yes,
it's
on
not
each subject. Yes, here all condition need to be matched. That's why I'm using under. At least one subject got greater than 40 means you can use R. But my requirement is I need to get all subject greater than 40. All conditions need to match. You got my point?
no, in the PPT you said each subject wise, right? But right
If the
now you are,
student,
see if the student
I,
not more than 40 marks in each subject.
if the
Oh, okay.
student got
Each subject. Okay.
more than
Yes.
40 marks in each subject, I
Okay.
think
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
condition is satisfied.
Yeah.
Open execute anonymous window. Let me try to pass. See, Apex class 6 dot method 3. I'm passing the parameters. Okay, like 45, 46, 34, 23, 56. What is my output here?
It should go to else part.
Why?
Hindi failed, I think.
Yeah.
Why failed? Because I got less than 40
Two
in some of the
subjects.
subjects. Yes. Okay, for example, debug open execute anonymous window. Now Pooja will tell me. Pooja, what is the output, Pooja? Pooja, what is the output? Student is passed. Because all subjects got greater than 40. That is the exact reason. Okay, remember this point.
Venkat,
Everyone remember this point.
just a quick question.
Yeah.
If in the same program, if you want to know in which subject he individually failed, then how it will be written?
We need to write some if else if conditions. Miss, can you please tell me your full requirement?
For example, if we want to know whether he failed in which subject, for example, whether he failed in physics, social, or something like that. If instead of and, if we apply or, will it occur?
If you applied or means at least one subject. Okay. Yes, we need to write some more logic. Okay. Like here, then
Okay.
based on your requirement, we need to apply. So you want to know that like here we are receiving the parameters. After receiving the parameters, okay, like we need to get the details, like which subject got failed.
Individually,
That is a requirement.
yes.
Individually, you need to write if else if like that. Okay, to identify that particular requirement. Just to demonstrate if yes, you can write it. Okay, you need to write some more logics there, like 5 subjects now. Okay, for example, if English is greater than 40, just imagine system.debug of just normal I mentioned your requirement. English is fast. Like this only now. Else if mass is greater than 40, You need to use a nested if also. Okay, like for example, if the condition is satisfied, means it will print. Otherwise, it will not print. Yeah. Let's go some more. Yeah. Write an Apex program. It is somewhat tricky question. Okay. Like uh, like you are going to some e-commerce. Okay, right, to find out the amount of the customer based on the quantity and unit price, and offer the discount. So we need to offer. For example, if the amount is greater than 10,000, then we are offering 20% discount. For example, if the amount is not greater than 10,000, we are not offering any discount. Anyone understand this use case? Anyone? Anyone understand this use case?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes. What about others? Please tell me. Prakash, Pooja.
Yes, yes, I'm
If amount is
greater than
greater
10,000,
than 1,000, then amount equal
20%.
to, we need to calculate. Here we don't know how to call. If I given assignment, we don't know. Like what I need to do, formula for calculating 20% discount. Just normally we can take it. Everyone able to see 20 by 100 is equal to, see, 1,000 minus 1,000 minus 200, 800. Okay, we need to take it and you need to offer.
We can give like 0.8 into amount.
Yes, yes, we can give it, but we don't know it now. Just normal I'm saying it. How we need to search? How we need to search? Some people knows, some people don't know. That's why I'm giving. How we can calculate the amount? How we can calculate quantity into unit price? Here we are receiving two parameters. Integer quantity, integer unit price. Okay, we are calculating the amount. Quantity into unit price. For example, if amount is greater than 10,000, then we are writing the logic for discount, else no discount. Yes. Everyone able to understand what I'm writing? Everyone able to understand? Just only for demonstration purpose I'm giving
Yes.
exact
Yes,
things.
Venkat.
Okay, but assignment you need to practice.
Yes. Sure, Venkat.
Okay, assignment you need to practice. When you practice it, now then only you'll get. Otherwise, it's very difficult. I'm saying again. So when you practice it from now onwards, then only you'll get. Otherwise, it's difficult. Maybe it's difficult, I can understand, but try to practice. When you practice means it's easy only. Okay, try to practice. Okay, let me try to. Everyone able to understand the use case or feeling it's very difficult? Everyone able to understand or feeling it's very difficult? Please.
Yeah,
Hello, am
understood.
I audible to
Yeah, we need
everyone?
to practice,
Practice,
then maybe it will
practice.
be
Yeah,
easy for us.
yeah, yes, yes.
It's
It needs so much
too early to
practice.
judge.
Yes, yes, yes. It needs too much practice. Understanding, okay, you can understand the logics, that's it. But when you practice, some things will be highlighted. Means what is your issues and like that. First practice whatever which I given. After that, go to assignment. Okay. I'll not give assignment answers. I'll give assignment answer, but after maybe some time, because you need to think. No worries, take your time and you need to think. Then you need to analyze and you need to write the logic. Then you can compare with my code. So another thing. So it's if else, multiple conditions. Multiple conditions. For example, write an Apex program to print the session name. For example, if you enter Okay, write an Apex program. Like if it's 1 to 4, okay, it's like 1 to 4, it's winter season. For example, if we entered in between 5 to 8, it is summer season, it will print. For example, if it is 9 to 12 in between, it will print spring season. For example, if you enter less than 1 or greater than 12, it is easy to print invalid month number. Yes. Everyone able to understand my requirement?
Yes, ma'am.
What's my requirement? Anyone? Please tell me.
We need to
Actually,
write about the
Venkat,
seasons.
here
Yes,
it
please,
is like
please.
reverse, right? Month numbers, under month numbers, this 1 to 4, all this should
Yeah,
come.
January 1,
And
February
season
2,
name,
March 3,
mm,
like that I mentioned. Okay.
and season names will be this winter season, summer season, spring
Spring
season, right?
season. Yes, yes. Okay, like let me try to design this Apex program to design for this if else statements. Okay, just I'm taking the month number. For example, in between 1 to 4, either it is greater than or equal, either equal to or 1. Okay, and month number less than or equal to 4 means between 1 to 4. If you enter between 1 to 4, okay, it will come to this logic. System.debug of winter season. For example, if you enter 2, okay, it will verify this condition. 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Is 2 greater than or equal to 1 or not? Once please tell me. Definitely 2 is greater than 1. And 2 is less than 4. Okay, this condition satisfied. Then winter season. Like this. In between 1 to 4. Okay, I'm saying again, like we are not using a so many conditions. If you practice this condition, then similar conditions will use it. But we'll use with objects, account, contact, opportunity. Else if month number is greater than or equal to 5, in between 5 to 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, then we can use summer season. Else if anyone please tell me my third condition. Anyone please tell me my third condition.
Month number greater than or equal to 9
And
and lesser than or equal to 12.
I need to take summer season.
December, spring.
What is my other condition? Else. If
Else.
both every condition is not satisfied, means it is less than or equal less than 1 or greater than 12. This is it. Let me try to pass the parameters. Like I'm passing the month number as 6. What is the output? Puja. Puja is not speaking. Speaking. Swapna. Swati Swapna. What is the output Swati Swapna?
Summer season.
Why?
Because the number we have entered is less than 5 and greater, less than 8 and greater than 5.
Are you able to see summer season? This is the thing. Okay, like this. Everyone understood the logic? This logic. Everyone understood the logic?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, Venkat. Yes.
Nested if. Nested if means condition inside another condition. Okay. Like normally we'll use if else like that. Only 90% will not use nested if. Only switch also will not use. In the real time will not use switch also. I'm saying again. Okay, will not use switch also. Definitely will not use switch also. I'm saying again. Like still we have 5 subjects. Like my requirement nested if condition inside. For example, if the student got more than 40 marks in each subject, just imagine if the student got more than 40 marks. Okay, I need to print the student result and also total marks, and also I need to calculate the average marks of the student. Then after that I need to find out the student grade. Okay, still here marks. For example, if his grade greater than 60, grade A. If it's less than or equal to 50, 60, grade B. Okay, if it is greater than 40 and less than 50, grade C. For example, if student got less than 40, then it is failed. I need to print the student results and total marks. C is a failed. Everyone understood my requirement? Maybe it's somewhat difficult. Somewhat difficult. Everyone understood my requirement?
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah. What is my requirement? I need to print the student result if it is got greater than 40, and I need to print the student result also, grade. Okay, this is once if the student got failed here. Okay, it comes to here. Let us see. No worries. Let us see. Okay, let me try to create a new, or you can use existing this Apex class only. Public static void method 5. I need to receive how many parameters? These all parameters. 5 subjects. 5 or 4? 5 subjects. We need to write 2 conditions here. Nested if inside if. It is somewhat tricky. That's why I'm explaining you. Don't confuse. Don't confuse. Okay, practice once after completion of the class. Then you lost your difficulties. Okay, first of all, I need to calculate total. I'm calculating the total. If I got greater than 14 each subject, what I need to do? Let me try to follow step by step my user story. What is my user story? What I need to do? I need to print the student result. Swapna, what I need to do? Under 3.1.1, if it is greater than 40, Swapna.
Total marks.
Swapna,
Total marks. Yes, Venkat.
yes, yes. I calculated the total marks. System.debugger. I'm going step by steps. Total. What is 3.1.2, Swapna or Pooja? Anyone can please tell. What is 3.1.2? I need to
Average
calculate.
marks of the student.
Yes, average
Average
marks
marks.
is nothing but by 5. Decimal
By
average is equal. because we have 5 subjects.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why total by 5.
By 5.
What is my third? I need to calculate the student grade. Okay, if average greater than 60.
So Venkat, we missed the debug.
Yes, based on grade, based on average. Which one debug you are asking?
For this average.
Just I'm calculating the average. No, I'm not printing any average. Just only I'm calculating the average.
Okay.
Based on the average, if average is greater than or equal to 60, then system.debug of grade A. If average greater than or equal to 50, and okay, grade B. Like this, I'm making. And if at last, because I don't need it. Okay, grade C. Or, or I think I can finalize it. Else. If these two conditions are not matching, it's grade C. That's it. Okay, just imagine, okay, if we got less than 40 in any of the subject. Just imagine if we got less than
Fail.
40 in any of the subject. Then,
Fail.
then what I need to do? I need to print the total marks. See, you need to print the student result and total marks. System.debug of student result. Okay, just you can print total. For example, if this condition is not satisfied, you can if you highlighted this means you can able to find it here. If the student condition is not satisfied, then else. Here. This is it. Everyone able to understand or anyone are feeling difficulty? Don't feel difficulty. Try to practice. I can understand by seeing this all these codes. Our mind will think that it is very difficult, but don't think like that. Practice. When you practice it 2 or 3 times, it is easy only.
A quick question, Venkat. On top
Yes,
of
please.
grade B, you entered. Can you scroll up, please? You entered between 50 to 60. There is no need to enter on top of grade C as well.
If you need
Condition.
means you can enter. If you need means you can enter it because if these two conditions are not satisfied, definitely grade C
Then
only. That's why I did not
oh,
enter.
okay, it will take by
We
default.
can enter. Okay, otherwise okay we can enter also, but here I don't need it because if these two conditions are not set, that definitely grade C only. Automatically I
So
mention.
will the program take by default
Yes,
when we are looking at the result?
yes. If grade A, first of all verify with grade A, not satisfied. Go to grade B. No. Then grade C automatically it will be. Okay, open execute. 45, 56, 67, 89, 92. Just I entered greater than 40. Everyone able to see total marks 349 grade A. Everyone able to see output?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. But when I started directly with account contact opportunity with direct triggers, then you will feel it's like a Tamil language. Yeah. Okay. I mean that unknown language. For example, if you went to other state, if you feel that unknown language, okay, like definitely we'll feel that oh, we cannot able to understand anything, whatever they're speaking. For example, if you went to Japan, okay, like the Japan people will speak different language. Definitely will think that it's a different language. That's why I'm starting with all these basics. I can understand, hope some other people know about these particular things. But coming to Apex programming, there are some modifications are there. Just I'm discussing, then I'll discuss SOQL and SOSL triggers. Then you can completely understand. This is the thing. Yeah. Anyone have any queries on this? Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries? Practice. Okay.
No, Inkat. We need to practice.
1 minute. Okay. I will finalize. Okay. Just I'll discuss which statement and I'll finalize. I'll complete my class. Switch statement is not useful. I'm saying again. Like only will deal with if else only in the Apex programming in real time also. If else if this particular things as per the requirement. Mostly if else and else if, that's it. Okay. Switch statement is not needed. Only for your understanding. I'm discussing. Just switch statement has been started 2018 or 2019. I did not remember. 18 release. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Switch statement is if else statement only. Okay. Both are same. For example, here, for example, if you entered 1, it should be Monday. For example, if you entered 2, it should be Tuesday. For example, if you entered 3, it is Wednesday. For example, if you entered 4, it is Thursday. For example, if it is 7, Sunday. If it is less than 1 or greater than 7, it is invalid day number I use it to print. First of all, everyone understood my user story? What's my user story? Pooja, Swapna, Sravani. What's my user story?
Week-wise initiating the numbers.
Yes, week wise I need to share the numbers. Okay. And from Monday onwards, the class link will be updated. Like I hope everyone is registered. If anyone not registered, once please contact the link. Yes. And the updated link will be shared in the WhatsApp group. Either you can use if else statement also here. Okay. I'm using switch on this condition. Only here we can use only not conditions, only just numbers, that's it. Okay, expressions are not allowed. For example, if it is 1, when value 1, then system.debug of Monday. When 2, system.debug of Monday, Tuesday. Okay, when 3, system.debug of Wednesday. Okay, when 4, system.debug of Wednesday,
3
Thursday.
Wednesday, 2 times.
Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah.
3 numbers should be Wednesday.
Yes, yes. Yes, I'll write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll update it. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No? 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm printing the semicolon. I'm saving Control S. Debug, open, execute anonymous filter. What is my output if it's 5? For example, other than this, okay? Like when else, you can able to identify. For example, if other than this, if the customer entered any of the value. For example, other than this, if the customer entered any values, what will be printed? When else, invalid day number. When you are doing, please do Control plus S. Same. Okay. Apex. What is the output, Pooja? Prakash. What is the output? Swapna. What is the output?
Friday.
Friday. Okay, and I'm saying again, just at least don't by heart practice once. At least by seeing the code, even practice once. Okay, then you'll get to know. Yeah, by seeing all this, don't fear. Just practice once. Even no person know about all this. Okay, when you practice, then at least you know the syntax. Yeah. Okay, fine. This is about today's class team. Let's meet tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Monday. Next Monday. And let's continue the further class. Okay, thank you everyone. I'm stopping the recording.